Good morning, students. We are reading chapter number 6, that is life processes, in 10th class science subject. And earlier we have discussed about the human circulatory system. Now, today we will discuss about human digestive system. Let's start. Dear students, let's see the diagram of human digestive system. In this diagram, you see the different parts of human digestive system. Start from mouth, salivary glands, esophagus, liver, stomach, pancreas, gallbladder, small intestine, large intestine, appendix, rectum and anus. Let's start human digestive system. Actually, we eat different type of food. In this food, carbohydrates, proteins and fat are there. All these must be broken into small molecules. This will involve the process of digestion. Dear students, digestion. What is digestion? It is the process of breaking down large molecules of food into small molecules. Number two, this is important so that the small molecules can be absorbed into the body through the bloodstream. That's why digestion is important. Digestion involves number one, alimentary canal or gut, that is tube from mouth to anus. Number two, liver. Number third, pancreas. Both secrete the enzymes to break down the food that we eat. You see in the diagram liver and pancreas. Dear students, digestion mainly involves two processes. Number one, physical digestion. In this type of digestion, only use of teeth and no chemical is used in this digestion. Only teeth will chew the food. And number second, chemical digestion. In this type of digestion, enzymes will used in this digestion. Enzymes that enhance the rate of reaction and acting as a catalyst. So these are the two types of digestion. Dear students, these are the three types of enzymes which are used in human digestive system. Number A, amylase, which convert starch into glucose. Number B, protease. It breaks down protein molecule into amino acids. And number C, lipase. It breaks down big fat molecules into fatty acid and glycerol. These are the three main enzymes mainly used in human digestive system. Actually, amylase breaks down carbohydrates molecule, that is starch, into glucose. Enzyme proteases breaks down protein molecules. Protease enzyme breaks down proteins. You see in the diagram. Also, lipase breaks down fat molecules into fatty acids and glycerol. Now, students, we will discuss about the different parts of human digestive system. Firstly, starts from mouth. Number one, food chew into smaller pieces via physical digestion. Number two, salivary amylase from the salivary glands will breaks down starch into maltose. We know about the salivary glands; they secrete saliva, which helps in the digestion. Next part of the human digestive system is esophagus. No enzymes takes place here, that is, no digestion will take place here. The food will become bolus. Number third, the food moves from mouth to stomach via wave like movement. You see in the diagram, that is peristalsis. Wave like movement of the food is known as peristalsis. Now move towards the another part of the human digestive system is stomach. Dear students, the stomach is most distensible portion of the alimentary canal. It is thick, muscular, J-shaped. You see in the diagram, organ present on the left side of upper part of abdominal cavity. In stomach, gastric juices will release. Gastric juice contain protease and hydrochloric acid. Protease enzyme will break down protein into polypeptides or peptones. hydrochloric acid will stop the amylase, give acidic medium for protease action, and kill bacteria. Students, the next part of human digestive tract is duodenum. It is the widest, shortest, about 25 cm, and most flexed part of small intestine. It forms a C-shaped curve. It receives the bile pancreatic duct. These bile pancreatic duct greenish fluid produced by liver and stored in gallbladder. Function of bile is to emulsify fats into oil droplets for lipase action. Now move towards the next part of the human digestive system, that is pancreas. You see in the diagram, pancreas will produce pancreatic juice that contain amylase. We have discussed earlier in this content protease and lipase enzyme. Pancreatic amylase breaks down starch to maltose. Protease breaks down protein to polypeptide, and lipase breaks down fat into fatty acids and glycerol. Dear students, the most important part of the human digestive system, that is small intestine. Small intestine is the main region where digestion and absorption of food occurs. Small intestine will secrete intestinal juice that contain maltase, protease and lipase. Maltase will break down maltose into glucose. Protease breaks down polypeptide into amino acids, and lipase breaks down fats into fatty acids and glycerol. You see in the diagram. After the completion of digestion in small intestine, the undigested food will move toward the large intestine. Large intestine, it is about 5 feet long, shorter but wider than small intestine, which forms an arc around the small intestine. It concerned with the conservation of water, sodium or other mineral and formation of fecus. It is temporary storage of fecus. Inner wall is with longitudinal folds which dilate it during storage. It leads into an anal canal which opens out by anus. You see in the diagram present at the base of trunk, and undigested food, that is fecus, expelled out from the anus. It completes the digestion. Dear students, we will again recap the main points of human digestive system, that is conclusion for amylase. It breaks down starch into maltose, and maltose convert into glucose, that is end product for the amylase. And same for the lipase, it breaks down fat into fatty acids and glycerol, that is the end product for the lipase. You have to remember that these points, these are the main important points for the human digestive system, that is function and importance of enzymes. Now the third enzyme, that is protease. It breaks down protein molecules into polypeptides and amino acids as a end product. And dear students, these are the end product of human digestive system: glucose from carbohydrates, amino acids from proteins, fatty acids and glycerol from fat. Here the end of human digestive system. Thank you and have a